My wife and I bought a farm this past fall and have some very lofty goals for it. We call it Higgins 2.0.
This property has some key features that are very similar to Don Higgins' farm. Don has built his property from an old cattle pasture to a whitetail mecca that consistently produces Boone and Crockett deer.
While looking for properties, I was asking myself two questions. Can I access the property from multiple different directions? And how much of the property line can be hunted on? Answering these two questions told me all I needed to know about a property. This property has great access and it has great buffers from neighboring hunting pressure.
While the cover here was simply mediocre, the layout has fantastic potential. This fall, I did not hunt this property a single day, rather letting the property rest from years of intense pressure. As soon as spring got here, I have been busy on a whole list of projects. I have planted 18 acres of switchgrass, 9 acres of food plots, enrolled acreage into CRP tree plantings, planted fruit orchards. We are in process of having the property logged, and a cattle pasture will be installed to create separation between my habitat and a busy road.
I can't wait to see what this farm produces in the near future. We're building a big buck factory.